I would like to thank the brand for sending me this product to try. I'm so impressed with it. It was easy for me to assemble it. It only need to attach the legs to its panel, and then it just sits straight like that. And the hooks are pretty standard, and they go just like this in a very easy way. And I'm planning to store my craft supplies here and my jewelry. If you're a vendor, that will make also a great display for jewelry of different lengths. And there are extra hooks in the back, all included in the kit. I'm very impressed.